As reproductive freedoms are being eroded in the United States, Canadian politicians at all levels of government must declare their unwavering support for a woman's right to choose.
A leaked U.S. document shows abortion rights may be changed there, and that has some Albertans worried. And while the UCP says it's status quo for them, the New Democrats want the government to reassure Albertans women will still have a right to choose and access to abortion services.
I'm calling on Premier Jason Kenney to reaffirm Alberta's commitment to a woman's fundamental right to choose, guarantee he will do nothing to further restrict access to reproductive health services, and join me in condemning this attack on reproductive rights and through that, women's equality in North America.
Premier Jason Kenney says the NDP are trying to start drama, alleging the New Democrats are inventing a political controversy that does not exist in Alberta politics. Access to abortion services is decriminalized in Canada. Provinces are unable to change abortion laws. Those changes must be done on the federal level, and under the Canada Health Act, provinces are required to provide access to health services, which includes allowing people to seek abortions.
This is a leaked U.S. draft decision that's on an issue that's under federal jurisdiction. So we have no plans in changing our policies at all.
Political scientist Laurie Williams says Albertans don't need to be worried about losing access to such services, as provincial governments could face legal action if they restricted access.
If a policy were enacted in Alberta to restrict access to healthcare services, especially when those services have been the subject of court decisions that have required sort of more equitable or easier access for those needing those services, a court challenge could be launched against those.
She says policies which do restrict access to health care or aren't consistent with the federal standards can be successfully challenged in court. In Edmonton, Saif Kaisar, City News.